Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Scorpios. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, guys. Scorpios, for your relationship, I'll be picking more cards. And then for your career situation, guys, Scorpios. And then for your career situation, 3 more cards. And I also have an oracle guidance card for you all guys today. So this is your crystal spirits oracle guidance. So there I will open that card at last. So let's start with your general energy. So we have 5 of spheres, prophetess of moons, and pope of stars in reverse. So these are the cards for your general energies, guys. So these cards, it may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So in your situation today, Scorpios, there are people with bad intentions, evil intentions today. So you need to be really careful, guys. Maybe they may pose as your friend or family, but they are not, they don't have that true intentions towards you. And there is also someone helping you, guiding you. This may be your good friend. So you have someone against you and someone for you, supporting you today. So this person is here to help you, support you, and guide you with their wisdom and knowledge. So if you listen to their advice, things are going to go in a much better way, Scorpios, in your situation today. And maybe you are facing some troubles. That is the reason someone is here to guide you and help you. But this person is truthful to you. So their guidance, or you want to be honest to yourself. So whatever desires or whatever wishes that you have within yourself, you want to live that, or you want to proceed in that path. So you are taking people's suggestions, maybe your friends' suggestions on that. And there is someone good, maybe it may be your sibling or parent, who is giving you that valuable advice today. So you need to listen to it, guys. And you have a stiff competition, maybe because of the way you are. So you have that skill, talent, and creativity. So that may be the reason that people are quite jealous of you or of your situation, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship, guys, first. So we have 8 of spheres in reverse, then 6 of stars, and astronomer of spheres. So for your relationship, this may be what this person feels about you or what you feel about them, guys. So maybe for some of you, the way they behave or way things are going, you are coming to know about something, just like that saying, the other side of the coin. So it may be something like a revelation for you, guys. So you are simply surprised to see that other side of this person. So whatever qualities that you are expecting, you are maybe you saw or you know about them. You are simply surprised by what they are today, how they are portraying themselves. So you are learning the truth about them, about this person, and maybe for some of you, you are open minded. You want to forgive this person and move on with your life today, guys. That is what I see. So, this person trying to deceive you or hide their true feelings or their dishonesty or whatever it is not. Maybe for some of you, you would have expected this situation, so it is not affecting you, so you are ready to move on with your life, feeling confident in yourself and letting go of this person and moving on. Or maybe you are ready to forgive them and you want to move on with your life, guys. Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship, guys. Let us see what are the cards for your career situation now. So we have the Lady of Suns in reverse, the Moon in reverse, and Abyss of Stars. So in your career situation, guys, you may be facing some stressful situations, guys, some delays or some project suspensions in your work. So things may not be going as you have expected for some of you, guys, maybe. And things are unstable. So sometimes you see certain circumstances are going well for you, but sometimes it is not so. So you are unable to find that balance in your situation, and there are people quite envious of you. We saw this energy even with the previous cards, guys. So someone is considering you as their rival in your career situation. So you have to be careful with that person, guys. So if you have a vague idea who it will be, you have to stay away from that person. And there is also someone coming to help you and support you today. So this may be a mature person. It may be your mentor, your parent, or an older sibling. So they are here to guide you and support you, guys, Scorpios, in your career situation. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your oracle guidance, the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So it says Green Aventurine. So with this card, the energy for y'all is that, guys, this crystal stands for good luck and fortune and great opportunities, guys. So today you are simply going to be lucky, guys, no matter what your situation is. Maybe there are some troubles, but whatever it is, things are going to fall into place and you are going to taste success today, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios, for your daily reading. I hope this reading resonates. Please like and comment if this reading resonated, guys. Thank you for watching, guys, Scorpios. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.